Looking to give your Mobile Legends hero a fresh new voice on your iPhone? You're in the right place. This quick tutorial will guide you through the steps to change your hero's voice in the game. Let's dive right in without further ado. First, launch Mobile Legends on your iPhone. Then, tap the settings icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the current language setting found at the bottom of the screen. Now, switch over to the Voice tab. Here, you will see a variety of languages to choose from, including English, Bahasa Indonesia, Portuguese, Arabic, Japanese, Tagalog, and many more. Tap on the voice you want to use. Then tap OK to download the voice pack. After the voice pack is downloaded, select the language. Now, simply close and reopen the game, and your hero's voice will be in the language you chose. And that's it, everyone! Changing your hero's voice in Mobile Legends is as simple as that. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!